time to put back the cable on the clutch lever here. And by experience, it's better to hook up the cable on the clamp or on the slot here before installing the bracket, because if you install a bracket, you have less room to maneuver to hook up the cable on the little hole here. You see, if you put the bracket here, you really don't have any much room. You have to pull on the lever and you basically have less room. So if you pull on the lever or as far as you can and you slide the cable in the gap, after that you can go and put the bracket in place, and it's way easier that way. Now I will put the bolt. I will need to remove the oil cap. There you go. Because my tool is too big and it's crooked with the oil cap on. So I will put the oil cap here, temporary. Make sure to not drop anything in the hole. Now I will tie up my bolt. There you go. Now you put back the oil cap or the gauge straight away, so no contaminant get into that engine block. And after that, you can test the clutch, make sure everything is working fine. And as you can see, clutch is working fine. Cable is tight. These things, hope they will hold. So that was how to reinstall the clutch cable after I did that paint job. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.